Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily edit PDF files in any Linux computer. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to install one applications. So for this you need to open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T in your computer keyboard. Now the terminal window has been opened, so here you need to type some commands: sudo space apt space install space LibreOffice. You need to install these applications. Now hit enter, type your computer password, hit enter. So in my case it's already installed, so I'm not going to do it again. So you can install these applications if you have not installed by using this command using your terminal in your Linux computer. So you download and install this application firstly. So once you download and install this application, now let me show you before proceeding further. Here is a PDF file, one PDF file. So what you need to do is just right click on this file and you can see here open with. Now you need to select this option LibreOffice Draw. Just click on it. Now you can see here files. So I will zoom it so that you can see more clear. Now you can select any words, just like double left clicking, so you can just delete this word, you can delete these lines, you can add again, you can type again, anything, whatever you want. So in this way you can edit any words, numbers, diagrams. You can add again, just like the Adobe Acrobat Pro for the Windows computers. So using this LibreOffice Draw you can easily edit any PDF files, and later once you are done you can see here on the left top corner written file, just tap on it. So you can see here export. You can export it as PDF, but if you want to save it as other file like the JPG or the picture files, so you can do this kind of export. So after clicking on export you can see various options here. You can see you can save it like the JPEG file, BMP, even PDF, HTML, lots of options. So using this process you can edit any PDF file very easily in your Linux computer. So you try it out by yourself, and if you face any difficulty using this tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problem. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.